Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Bloom taste good. Many find its natural flavor challenging, but with a few simple tricks, you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. We'll explore various mixing techniques and ingredient pairings to transform your Bloom experience. Get ready to enjoy your greens without the fuss, making health a delicious habit. Beyond basic mixing, Bloom can be a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. Imagine starting your day with a Bloom-infused yogurt or enjoying a vibrant, healthy ice pop. These creative approaches not only mask the taste, but also add nutritional value to your favorite foods. Let's get inventive and make Bloom a delightful part of your culinary adventures. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music or get information hands-free. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Consistency is key to reaping Bloom's benefits, and making it enjoyable daily is crucial. Don't be afraid to try various combinations until you find your perfect blend. Remember, a little sweetness can go a long way, and quick consumption ensures the best texture. These small adjustments will help you stick to your wellness goals effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.